Good morning one and all. I am Tejas Kundra from the ISC Commerce stream. I was a state topper for the ISC 2021 examinations with a score of 99.25%. I am currently pursuing the Chartered Accountancy course for which I have taken admission into Rahul CA Academy.
Hello, my name is Kritika Mittal. I am from ISC Commerce and I have secured 99% this year in my ISC boards, and I want to pursue law in my future, and I have written CLAT for the same.
A very good morning to all. I am Likhit Agarwal from ISC Commerce stream and I have scored 98.75% in my ISC Class 12 boards, and I am going to pursue Bachelor's of Business Administration from Amity University, Hyderabad. Thank you.
I am Visanya Saruja from ISC Commerce and I have scored a 98.2% in my ISC 12th grade board exams. I will be going to the Kelly School of Business, Indiana University to pursue a Bachelor's of Science in Business. I am so happy and proud to be a part of the Gitanjali family. Thank you, Gitanjali.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Shreyas Krishna and I am from the ISC Commerce stream. I have secured 97.5% in my Class 12 ISC board exams. I am going to pursue Chartered Accountancy. I have already taken admission in Rahul CA Academy.
Hello everyone, this is Samiksha Madan, a student who has spent around 15 years in this school, and I can without a doubt say that this is one of the best schools you would want to study from. I have secured a 96.25% in my 12th ISC board, and I owe all of this to the amazing faculty here at Gitanjali Senior School. I am pursuing law as a career option, and I think that I cannot be any more thankful to Gitanjali School than this. Thank you so much.
I am Kriti Agarwal and I am from the ISC Commerce stream. I secured 96.2% in my 12th ISC board exams, and I am further going to pursue BBA.
Good morning. My name is Ananya Pant. I'm from the ISC Commerce stream and I secured 96% in my 12th boards. I am now pursuing BA LLB from Jindal Global Law School. I'm extremely fortunate to have studied in one of the best schools in the country with some of the best teachers who were always there to guide me and support me whenever I was in doubt. Even during the pandemic, they made sure that the quality of our education was not compromised. I'm also extremely thankful that Gitanjali offered legal studies as a subject, which allowed me to explore it more before I decided to pursue it as a career. I have been in Gitanjali for the last 15 years, so it will be extremely difficult for me to say goodbye to it. But I will always have the memories that I made here, and I will always cherish them. I would like to thank all my teachers from the bottom of my heart for everything that they did for me and for helping shape me into the person that I am today. Thank you.
When I showed up for the first day of my school, I thought it was the right place for me. But now, I am confident enough to tell her it is the best place and I cannot ask for more. Gitanjali Senior School always succeeded, no matter what the situation is. Our school's biggest asset is not our infrastructure or its grounds, it's our teachers, who is super talented, and most importantly, they understand students like nobody else. I would like to thank my class teacher, who worked very hard to adapt herself to this new virtual world of classes, and she also helped us in overcoming the difficulties of online classes. I would like to thank her, and no matter the distance, they have always been there for me. I am Abhigna Maitri Arbola, studied 12th grade in Gitanjali Senior School, secured 95.5% in my ISC boards, and I am now pursuing Chartered Accountancy course in Rahul CA Academy. Thank you.
My name is Aditya Dhande. I am from the science stream. I got a score of 99% in my ISC board examinations. I am planning to pursue Bachelor of Technologies in Computer Science Engineering from IIT Bombay.
Hi, I am Ridhima Thakur. I just completed my 12th grade in the science stream from Gitanjali Senior School. I scored 97% in the ISC examinations. I have applied for an integrated BTech plus MTech program at the University of Hyderabad. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arjun Romesh. I am from the ISC Science batch of Gitanjali Senior School. I have secured 93.5% in the academic year 2020-21. I plan to pursue computer science engineering in a local engineering college.
Hello, I am Shivapriya Mukhopadhyay. I am a student of Gitanjali Senior School. I had opted for science stream. I have scored 93.25% in ISC board. I am trying to join St. Xavier's College of Kolkata. and I'm trying to pursue BSc in microbiology. I'm extremely proud to be a part of this esteemed school. Thank you.
My name is Abhiti Mullapudi. I had opted for the science stream in class 12 and I scored a percentage of 93 in the ISC examinations 2020-2021. I'll be giving both engineering as well as medical entrances this year and I hope I get a good score and get into one of the reputed colleges in India. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Abhi Chakraborty. I have the distinction of studying in Gitanjali School right from the beginning of my school life. I have scored 88.8% in my 12th grade final exams, being a part of the science batch. I have qualified for the Service Selection Board interview for the National Defence Academy. Additionally, I have secured a seat in the Computer Science branch of Vellore Institute of Technology. I want to attribute my success to the school that has helped in developing my personality and also in sharpening my leadership and team building skills. Also my family members and friends who have constantly guided me and helped me reach where I am today. I'm pretty sure that all of this will be a stepping stone for all my future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rishikesh Joshi. I joined Gitanjali Senior School for the last 2 years of my high school as a part of the science stream. I secured a score of 1570 out of 1600 on my SATs, a perfect score of 120 on my TOEFL, and an 84% in my 12th grade final exams. Gitanjali Senior School guided me by providing an extremely enjoyable experience coupled with great academics. This enabled me to apply to top universities in the USA and secure admission with honors at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, which ranks number 11 in the nation for computer science. I am proud to be a part of such a wonderful schooling system. Thank you.
I'm Shreyas Reddy from the Humanities stream and I scored 95.75% in the boards. I'm planning to join the St. Stephen's College in Delhi University or the Azim Premji University in Bangalore.
Vintamki Kari from the 2020 to 2021 batch of ISC Humanities and I secured 94% in my ISC boards and I'm planning to pursue Bachelor of Arts in Psychology and Political Science from St. Francis, Hyderabad.
I'm Koel Chatterjee, batch of 2021 ISC Humanities. I've secured 92% in my ISC boards and I'll be pursuing law in OP Jindal Global Law School.